Hey, what's up? 600, hey! Ismake! Dude, no. No. Coming running after us, dude. Like, not cool. Back the f. Good morning from Cairo, Egypt. Yesterday I went to the el-Khalili Bazaar and I filmed there, but I didn't introduce that I was in Egypt at all, so I'm doing that now. I'm going to put this in front of the video of the Khalili Bazaar. The streets are very quiet right now because it is 7 in the morning and the city begins to pick up a little bit later than other cities and from like the 2 days that I've been here and seen. But this is also just right here. So this is the main streets outside my hostel where I'm staying in Cairo. Look at that, nice empty streets for now. Yeah, so excited to be here. So yesterday I went to the bazaar or the market and didn't give a lot of context to the video, but I met a girl from my hostel from Brazil. Her name was Rafaela, and she said she was going up to the market, which I had plans to see, but I hadn't, made a plan for a day. I'm just kind of go with whatever. And I was like, yeah, I'll go with you. So we walked about 40 minutes through Cairo to get to the bazaar, which was massive, huge, like a maze. Trying to get out of there actually was like getting lost all over again. But really amazing time. It's crazy here. So I just wanted to say hi. I'm in Cairo, Egypt. And that was the Khalili Bazaar that you're seeing. And also footage of me on the way there. Because the market was a little bit quieter and cleaner inside. I mean, still crazy and the vendors are yelling. But it was the outside streets walking there that were the most wild, in my opinion. But really fun. Hey, oh yes, hey, oh, you're friendly little kitty. Oh yeah, kitty cat. Oh yeah, it's the first kitty cat that came up to me and let me pet. Oh, you're so cute. Hi. Oh, I love little cats. Oh, bye. Hi. Do I get more pets for more kitties? Oh, wait. Hey, don't fight now. Yeah, very much loving Egypt. The people at the hostel are great. I love the staff that work there. The city seems beautiful, very different to anything I've ever been to before. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. I'm gonna go because these kittens are adorable and they're asking to be pet. Right? Aren't you? Oh. Yeah. I don't have Kit Kat. Oh, little, it's so startled. But yeah, I'm doing some stuff today. I'll be making videos about that today and upload them as they go along. There's a lot of stuff I want to show you guys, from trying koshari to obviously the ancient ruins and sites, but just walking the streets, crossing the streets is probably interesting to watch from an outsider's perspective. Takes a little warming up to, It kind of reminds me of Vietnam, but with more cars, less motorbikes, which is a little more threatening because you're having a large, wide vehicle flying towards you, where the motorbikes in Vietnam will just kind of like go around you. They can weave around, so you're not so like, is this guy gonna hit me? So yeah, but anyways, it's fun. I love it, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, very long intro. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. So me and Rafaela walking down this crazy market street. Just got loud out of nowhere. Hi. noises. Come on. What is this, the 80s? You want to go up here? Yeah, you might be right about that, Rafaela. This is my first day out, and I'm like really shocked by the amount of catcalling that happens here. Dang, these men are thirsty, dude. Need to chill out. Anyways, so haven't even made it to the market yet. Are you crossing? Yeah, I guess we're crossing. Short heads up for that. What's up, man? Nah, not at all. Nope, not happening. Dude, no. No. He's coming running after us, dude. Like, not cool. Back the fuck up.
Welcome.
Yeah, to the right, yeah. For the win. Shukran. Hey. Hasta la vista. So a surprising amount of people in the market speak Spanish. A few words, which I think is kind of random, but also cool. Or straight, where do you want to go? Right? Alright guys, so here in the el-Khalili market or bazaar. Hey, what's up? 600, hey! Ismake! Yeah, little kids, oops, sorry. It's a 600-year-old market back in like the 14th century with the Fatimid period, so pretty cool to be walking down the street. We finally found it after wandering the more local market, which was obviously crazy, as I'm sure you'll see. But yeah, I'll show you a little more busy strip in a little bit, but we found it. Hello. You. All right, see ya. Ah, yeah, shukran, man. Dang. I think I'm in this lady's shop.
Welcome to Egypt.
Shukran.
Bienvenido a Egipto.
Gracias.
Apricot.
What? Come on. Man doesn't want to be on film. Shukran. Alright, do you want to go back up here? Or do you want to... Hi, what's up?
You don't want to spend some money?
Yeah, no, not today. I like you though.
Not this time.
You gonna spend some money?
Yeah.
These guys are funny. So we gotta go through the market, which I didn't film much of. Perfect. I hope the audio's been all right with this wind. Check it. Hello. No, shukran.
You can take a photo inside.
Kitty! Kitty cat. Kitty. Oh,
Welcome.
he ran
Little
away.
scarf here.
Oh no, shukran, shukran. Wow, it's eerily quiet now. Hey, أهلا وسهلا.
Nice answer.
Shukran.
Egyptian?
Nah, you know I'm not Egyptian, mate.
Where are you from? Your place for honey.
It's like Egyptian girl.
Yeah, right. Yeah, yes, quintessential. So this is the tourist market. We walked through the local market earlier. Those were those shots of just total chaos. And these dudes. Yeah. Good luck, man. You too. Shukran, shukran. Shukran. Hey, it's like Nepal all over again. It's real Kashmiri.
Thank you.
Okay, well, back into the tourist zone. Trying to figure out how to get out of here. Straight?
No. We say for all life.
For all life. All right, let's do it. You know I'm.
I remember you. Yeah, I remember you.
Yeah, that's the spirit, girl. Oh, that's so funny.
I don't hate this man. But it's your job. But,
Yeah. Shukran. Definitely not for me.
for me, maybe.
I mean, I'm trying to find clothes that cover me up more.
Not.
A lot less. Yeah, I'm not going belly dancing.
Welcome again.
Just never leave, right? What's up? Shukran, shukran. We're almost locals now. After being through here like for the 5th or 6th time. All right, well, I've got a dress that I'll show you later that I think will be fitting of the weather and the country and their culture. Let's hope that it's not too huge, like I'm going parachuting, because all the dresses I liked were like this wide. And I'm like, what is this? I'm like, this long, just tripping, like can't walk. So, anyways, I found a dress. I didn't try it on, but I hope it works. All right, well, we just walked through el-Khalili market, bazar. And I didn't film almost any of it, but I'll come back later because I need to get another dress. This is not the appropriate attire for Egypt. Not only because it's black and very hot, but it's a little bit of length. So, yeah. Anyways, catch you soon. Hope you're having a great day.